Hi guys, welcome back. This is my race bike 2016 bike check. This is my race bike. This is my race bike. It's custom. I bought all the parts and put it together. Yeah, it's just what I wanted, and it's unique because it's, you know, orange. Most people don't have orange bikes, so yeah, let's get on with it. Right, we're going to start at the top. Here's my ODI Ruffian grips with ODI bar ends. And I've got a Shimano DXR race brake with, just a normal brake cable. The bars are S&M somethings. They're like 29 wide. Here's my race plate. It's a box phase 1, redesigned by Big Daddy Custom Plates. Moving down, we've got my click forks, and then my Sins headset. The wheels, I've got custom bombshell rims with ACS hubs, and it's blue and black. And then we go along. Here's the 2012 race frame. It's pretty light. I like it. If we go around here, we have a gusset race stem. It's 53 millimeters long, and it's got the top cap from the forks. I've got a profile racing seat. It's pretty nice. It's the blue one. Moving down, we've got a Gub seat clamp, which I got for £2 on Amazon. The chain, it's a gusset chain. I don't know which gusset chain. The cranks, I've got gusset TAF 24 2-piece cranks. They're in blue. They're really nice. I've got a Shimano chainring, I like the colour. I've got box bolts to link these two together. I've got some Diamondback flat pedals, hopefully moving to clips soon. I've got just some chain tensioners to keep the chain nice and tight. On the back, I've got another bombshell rim with ACS main drive hub and black spokes. I've got the tyres of Tioga Power Block tyres. The brake is a DXR to match the brake lever. I've got a Shimano Road bottom bracket, which I got from Evans Cycles. I've got a bike stand holding this all up, and yeah, that's mainly it. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. I will now show you some clips of me riding this bike. Enjoy.